Mysuru Dasara Yestondu Sundara. That's a famous song by Dr. Rajkumar talking about the beauty of Mysuru Dasara. We are here to witness that beauty at the Royal Palace of Mysuru. And here we are in front of the Bhuvaneshwari temple as Yaduveer, the titular king of Mysuru, and the BJP MP, of course, is performing rituals. There are a host of people, locals and celebrities alike, who've come here to witness the fervor. Saptami Gowda, actress from Karnataka, here with us. Tell me, Saptami, you're excited to see Mysuru Dasara, just like many of them who've come here. Tell us, how important is this festival to the state and to you?
I think because of the culture and the centuries old tradition that it holds, I think this is very, very important, be it with respect to tourism that it brings or the culture that it, shows the entire world. The amount of effort that goes through for this entire festival is tremendous, and it is very commendable too. I think I should consider myself really honored that I get to see this and be a part of this and watch all of this. And I'm more proud of the fact that our Rani Trishika Kumari Auru, I think we studied in the same school. She was my senior.
Oh, nice.
I was just telling that if I get a chance, I really want to tell her that, I have a picture where I was really young with her. So I think it's really an honor and to watch this and be. I think it's something that everybody, Pratiyobru Karnatakadalliroru, should be able to, witness this once in their lifetime. It is that magnificent, and mainly the amount of effort it takes to pull this off for all the days.
Absolutely. And Vijay Dashmi Day, you have the Jambu Savari. We have, the majestic elephants here as well, just beside us. It's beautiful to see all this, isn't it? Because the culture and the traditions that have been, carried for generations, really, and centuries.
Yes, I think it is really beautiful because the elephants especially, I think the amount of, just looking at them makes you feel so majestic. There is something about the